Hello everyone, welcome to day 23 and day 24 of our 30 days long challenge, that is Loving Yourself series, and we have completed 22 days in this series and every step is taking you further to your self-love. So today we are going to be doing the most important step in self-love, and that is forgiveness and letting go. So all of you know the meaning of forgiveness, and you know that you should forgive yourself for your old past mistakes and your hurt, because if you are still holding on to your past, the past negative emotions, trauma towards yourself or toward the other person, like blame, guilt, resentment, the feeling to take revenge, that is hurting your body, and in the further run it will affect in and take form of some form of illness or disease. So you don't want this, okay? You want to stay healthy in your beautiful loving body in this so wonderful beautiful world. And so today's series we are focusing on self forgiveness. In day 23, we are going to forgive and set the intention to forgive ourselves, and in day 24, we are going to forgive other people who we think that they have wronged us and they have done wrong to us, bad to us, that should not be done to anyone, okay? Anything that you feel that is hurting you, so you will just set an intention that you are going to forgive your past and yourself and any other person involved in this. So you just need writing material, that is pen and paper, and just a quiet time that no one will disturb you, because you want to go into the past and you want to remove that charge from that past event, because every time you are thinking the past doesn't exist, the past only exists in your imagination. And what you are doing when you are remembering every time that bad experience of the past and replaying it in your mind, your body is releasing all those same hormones that are not good for you, okay? So you want to get rid of that. Forgiveness doesn't mean that you are forgiving that event and you are accepting that. No, accept that, okay, the wrong has been done and the past has been done, but you are now moving forward and you are forgiving yourself and making peace with it. That event, that situation, that person now is no longer bothering you. So you will become neutral and you will learn from that experience. Forgiveness means learning from that past experience and moving ahead. That past should not affect your present, it should not affect your behavior towards your loved ones in the present moment. So it is very necessary towards self-love, and you know that you can only love the other person the amount you love yourself. So in the order to have more love in your life, you need to have more self-love, and that is what we are focusing on the 30 days long challenge. So this step is very crucial, and I request you all to please have the courage, because it takes courage to go to your past and remember and replay those emotions, those experiences, just because you want to forgive that and you want to move ahead. So I just congratulate all of you who will be doing this, because you are truly very courageous and very strong. All the best to you. Let's proceed to the process of forgiving. So are you guys ready? Just close your eyes in the chosen place that you have chosen for this challenge, day 23 and day 24. Day 23, we are going to forgive ourselves for our past mistakes, decisions that were not taken from a mature perspective as we could take now. So close your eyes and take a deep breath. Breathe and let go of anything that is stressing you, and release all the stress of the day. Anything that you want to do after this session, just let it go. Just be present fully in this present moment. Take a breather and connect to your body, connect to your inner being, and set the intention that you want to release your past. You want to let go of the old that is only existing in your imagination. You want to let go and you want to move forward in your life like a pro, like you are a lovebird and you don't want to hold anything that is not of love into your beautiful, amazing body. That is your container. Do you want to have a dirty water in a glass of water that you can see every time? No. So your body, just imagine that your body is like a glass and it's a very beautiful container and you are holding the past. So would you like to clean it? Yes. So just close your eyes and feel and let your mind wander in the past so that it can bring to you any past event that is bothering you. And don't think that it is a small event or now it's neutral to you. Any event that is coming to your mind, just write it down. Open your eyes or you can close your eyes and just move your hand in the pen. With the pen, just keep on writing everything that is coming up. Your mind and your body right now is helping you to bring those emotions, bring those past experiences that need to be forgiven and let go of. So thank your body and trust your body. Everything that it is bringing, just write it down. And after you have written and when you feel okay, you can open your eyes and start reading what you have written and accept that yes, you were hurt at that time. And now just switch to what you have learned from this experience. Right now, whatever you are, close your eyes again, and if you want to have some more memories pop up, write it down. And you can do this exercise as many times as you want. Just be kind to yourself, be extra loving to yourself, because it is very courageous act to go to your past and forgive that, because many people don't want to just remember that. Some people have very bad experiences, they don't want to think about that. So you are doing this. I want to thank you and I congratulate you that you are so brave. Well done. Okay, so this was our day 23 and day 24. You will do this exercise both days and as many times as you want, because you want the container that you are, that is your amazing beautiful body, to be filled with love, and anything and everything that is not of love, just throw it off. Okay, so it's high time. And also, if you are a religious person, you should know that only your wish will be manifested, only your wish will be answered. The only condition that God has, if they want to answer your prayers, is to have your heart clean, to let go of the people, because you do so many mistakes and our God forgives us. So you also need to forgive and come from the same place. You need to have no expectation from your family, brother, sister, husband, wife, anyone. If anyone has wronged you, come from the place of acceptance. Allow yourself to let go of the hurt, the trauma, the sadness, the fear that you're holding on to your beautiful body, and just take a breather. Breathe and let it go. So guys, I hope you had a wonderful time releasing the extra baggage, that emotional baggage that you are carrying from your past. And you know that past doesn't exist, it only exists in your imagination. So you have released that, you have let go of the past and those people that hurt you. And that doesn't mean that you won't talk to that person if they are someone from your family, very close people. You just forgive that old version of them, and you have now become a better version of yourself because of those experiences. So don't regret anything, just let it go. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and take very good care of yourself.